guys, it's me, Stace. Today we're going to be using the Cricut machine to make this really pretty sunflower card. There's the outside there, and then we have the inside as well. Alright, let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, here we are at the computer. I'm already logged in to Design Space. I'm also on the welcome screen. From here, I'm going to go to the very first category, which is Cricut Mug Press. Go to the far right and click on where it says View All. In the upper right hand corner, click on the down arrow and then go to the category of cards. In the search box, type in the word sunflower and then click on enter. And the project we're making is this one here. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see it brings up a preview window. Very bottom, click on customize. Alright, so we have the card bases and also the envelope. I'm going to delete the envelope. I'm not going to cut that piece out. And this card base, I don't want to use this one. I want to use this one here. But this one is designed to go inside that one. So this size, if I have this piece selected, you can see the top is 10 by 5. I'm going to resize this piece to be 10 by 5. So I have the yellow piece selected. Go to the top toolbar. You want to unlock the lock and make the width here be 10 inches and the height is going to be 5 inches. Now on this piece, all I want is this part of the image. So I want to cut this piece in half. So I first want to right click on it and choose detach and take the score mark out of there and delete that piece. Go to my left hand side toolbar, click on shapes. I'm going to click on a square. I'm going to bring my square down. Now I know this piece is 10 by 5, so to have that be half of that, I want to make this square be 5 inches wide. Have the square selected. Go to the top toolbar where the size is. I'm going to unlock the lock. Make the width be 5 inches. I'm going to make the height be 6 inches. I'm going to bring this up so it hangs over on top and the bottom. I'm going to highlight both pieces. Go to my top toolbar. I'm going to click on Align and choose Align Left. So now I know it's perfectly centered. I'm going to highlight both pieces again. Right click on that and choose Slice. That's going to cut that piece in half for me. Alright, I can remove these pieces now. I no longer need those. So now I have the image that I want. I can delete that piece. I'm going to bring this back over. I'm going to right click on it and choose Move Back or Move Send to Back. There we go. That's the card. I'm going to highlight all these pieces, right click and choose Group. Now if I bring this over, you can see it fits on the card perfectly. I'm going to resize it. So I have all this selected. Go to the top toolbar. You can leave the lock locked and make the width here be 4.75 by 4.75. So now when I bring it on to front of my card, it has that little border around it. Now for this piece, I'm going to have the writing here go onto a separate piece of white cardstock. So left hand side toolbar again, I'm going to click on Shapes, grab a square, have the square selected, top toolbar again where the size is, make your square be 4.75 by 4.75. I also want to change the color and make it be a white color. I can move that over there. Now for this one, I'm going to right click on it and choose Detach, grab the greeting. Bring it, if you need to, right click on it and choose Send to Front. I'm going to bring that over there, highlight both of those pieces. Again, the top toolbar, choose Align and go to the very bottom and choose Align Center. That aligns it top to bottom and also left to right. When you're happy with that, to go ahead and highlight both pieces again, or the greeting and the white piece. Right click on that and choose Attach. So this will use the Cricut pen to draw that piece out for us. And it's resized, so it's going to fit inside my card nicely there. And now to send it to the Cricut, I can go ahead and delete this piece. I can use my trimmer to cut out my piece of cardstock that is 10 by 5. Upper right hand corner, choose Make It. So we have the white layer for the inside, the white layer for the outside, our black pieces here. Also the word Mom, I'm not going to cut that out, so I'm going to go back and choose Cancel. I'm going to highlight all these pieces, choose Ungroup, and just delete the word Mom. Alright, I can go back up and choose Make It. So again, we have the white pieces, very hard to see, but we have the black pieces here, and then we have the brown piece and also the yellow. I'm going to cut all the pieces out, go to the table, and we'll put the card together. Now guys, we are back. Everything is cut out. Let's first take our card and go ahead and fold that in half, the card base. Alright, then we have the inside of the card. We can go ahead and adhere that down to the inside. just like that. All right, so the inside is done. Now we have the outside. So we have this piece and the black piece is going to go behind that. So what I'm going to do is take my glue. I'm using Art Glitter Glue. I have the link below for this. I get it off Amazon. I'm going to put some glue around that shape and then along the outer edge of my black. Put that down there. And while we're here, I'm going to grab my foam squares and we're going to pop this piece up. I'm going to do all 4 corners and then one in the middle. Okay, we can set that aside for a minute. Let's work on our sunflowers. We have this piece here and we have this piece and this piece. And I have a notebook over here of scrap paper. I'm going to take my glue. I'm using my Art Glitter Glue, and I'm just kind of going around and then I'm going to take it and just daub it off a little bit. That way my glue doesn't seep through to the front. And put that piece on there. I was actually shocked my Cricut cut that. Alright, so we have that one. Now we have the other pieces, which are flowers, or leaves rather. Alright, so this one's going to go on here. Just make sure you're going the right way. And again, I'm just going to take my glue and just kind of go all over with it. And then take it and just daub it off some. I find by doing that, it helps the glue not seep through to the front. Alright, now we have the yellow one. And again, just make sure you're double checking, make sure it's going to go on the other right way. And put our glue on the back. This is a really pretty card. I showed my husband, he's like, oh, it reminds me of the bee card. Made me a stamp set, the bee's knees. I absolutely love that stamp set. Alright, so now we're going to take this and glue that to the center of our flower. Just like that. And let's take this piece and put it on the front of our card. Make sure I'm going the right way. If you guys seen my other video not too long ago, I put the inside of the card in upside down. We've all been there. I felt good with the comments. You guys said, oh yeah, I did that more than once, so it's not just me that does that. Alright, that's going to go here on the front of the card. Alright, let's go ahead and glue these guys down. Okay, and then lastly our leaves. That quickly our card is done. Love easy cards. This is such a pretty line. It's such a bright card. Great card to cheer somebody up. I'm actually going to flip this over and just give this a little press on the inside. Alright, so what do you think? There's the outside. I did not use the word mom. You can certainly do that. You can also stamp something on the front. And then we have the inside as well. Super cute little card. Alright, so there is that one, and there's that one there. Alright guys, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.